Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok drops not saving bug. If you are using any TikTok and you are having an issue that your drops are not syncing or you are having any other bug into your TikTok apps, let's see how can you easily fix. First of all, you have to try to update your TikTok apps. Open up your app store, go for search in the bottom right corner. You have to simply search for TikTok from here, and once you have searched, you'll get search different results. Open TikTok and you have to make sure that you haven't any update available in your TikTok app, or if you have any update here, you have to try to update your app. Once you have updated, you can easily use your TikTok without any bugs. It almost fix your issue. But if you're still having the same issue, open up your settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, and you have to search for TikTok, then tap on offload app, tap on offload app again, and then the reinstall app. In this way, you can easily fix if you have any bug into your TikTok app. It will fix all the bugs, and after that, you can easily use your TikTok without any bug. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.